The Drive Experience Recorder, or DXR system, on your vehicle synchronizes audio, video, and vehicle data to record the vehicle's usage on a track, drag strip, scenic drives, or daily dashcam usage. It includes a dashcam with automatic or manual activation, a microphone for audio recording, a USB port for data storage, and in-vehicle playback and performance evaluation tools. First, you will need a formatted USB drive to record DXR information and videos. The USB drive must be in the exFAT format, which can be completed on your personal computer. Once the drive is properly formatted, simply insert it into the USB port in the center console. There are two ways to access the DXR application using the Uconnect system. You can select DXR from the list of apps, or go to the Vehicles tab and find it in the Dashboard section. The dash cam on your vehicle can be activated automatically or manually. If the automatic dash cam activation setting is set to on, the dash cam will start when the vehicle is started and will turn off when the vehicle is turned off, with the data being saved to the USB drive. For manual activation of the dash cam, select the Start Recording button under the Dashcam tab to begin. The button will display that recording is in process, and you can see the elapsed time for the current drive. Press the button again to stop recording. To quickly start and stop manual dash cam recording, you can place the DXR camera icon into the upper status bar. Simply press and hold the DXR app, then drag it onto one of the preset spots. It will replace any previous preset apps in that location. You can then press this icon to start and stop recording. As with automatic activation, the data will be saved to the USB drive. When it's time to take your vehicle out on the track, the Circuit Rally menu provides options to record track data. The system can differentiate between circuits and rallies, and will record race times based upon a set starting point. These times can be compared to previous ones through the Outings menu. Pressing on the Track button will open the Select Track menu. This menu provides options for selecting between circuits or rallies, and any learned and saved tracks, or tracks imported from the tracks database, will be selectable. These saved tracks can be deleted or their names edited. If you have no saved tracks, the system is capable of learning new ones. Just hit the Learn New Circuit or Learn New Rally button and follow the instructions for setting up your custom track. Once a track is selected, you can go back out to the Circuit Rally tab and hit the Go Race button so that you can record data while you race the track. The Drag menu provides a way to analyze and record a 1/4 mile drag race experience. The system will record times for key differences, and these times can be compared to previous ones. Simply hit the Go Race button when you're ready to get started, and the system will guide you along much like the circuit and rally options do. Visiting the Outings menu will display a list of recordings by the dash cam, either through automatic or manual activation, or in relation to a circuit, rally, or drag race session. You can filter out the recordings by type, and each outing can be selected to view information on that outing and play back the recording. There are playback controls available for the video, as well as a button that allows you to toggle the type of information overlay you would like to see. Your DXR application can be personalized through the Settings menu. Press Settings to access features like dash cam recording options, automatic recording, valet mode, and recording overwrite. You also have access to whether you'd like to record audio, recording quality, and video overlay settings. This video is not intended to take the place of your owner's manual. For complete details and other important safety information, please see your owner's information.